Hello everyone, this is Imanshu and welcome to part 2 of our series on room database. So first of all we have to create a new project. So go to file, select new and create a new project. Choose an empty activity and click on next. You can give your application name, your package name, your location and language is Kotlin and minimum SDK is 26.8 Oreo. Okay, so simply finish it. In my case, I already create a new project, so I'm not creating this new project again. Okay, so simply cut this out. And second, you have to go in your build.gradle module applicable file and add all these dependencies in your Gradle file. And please not forget to add this line of code, apply plugin kotlin-kapt. Okay, that's all. Simply sync your project. I already synced this, so no need to do it again. Okay, so go to your main activity. Alright, that's all for this video, and in our next video we will simply design our layout. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you like my video please subscribe my channel.